There have been intensive discussions in Geneva over the course of the last 2 days as the TRIPS Council has been meeting. There has now been an agreement that text-based negotiations of the IP waiver put forward by South Africa and India should now go forward, meaning there will be intensive talks over the course of the next 6 weeks ahead of a WTO General Council from the 21st of July. The plans put forward by South Africa and India as part of a revised proposal have won the support of a number of African nations, including Tanzania, Mozambique and Angola, as well as other countries in Asia such as Pakistan and Bangladesh. There are other countries who have agreed that text-based discussions should go ahead but don't fully support the proposals in their current form. Those notably include the US and Australia. Others remain opposed and unconvinced that an IP waiver is the best way to resolve issues of vaccine access in low and middle income countries. The UK and the EU, for example, think that there might be another way available. The EU on Friday of last week put forward its own proposals that will now be considered as part of those negotiations that will be taking place in the weeks to come, that would focus on boosting manufacturing in the developing world, as well as lifting export restrictions put in place for COVID-19 vaccines and treatment. That is an agreement that will also form part of discussions with President Biden during an EU-US summit next Tuesday. The EU and the US will be agreeing on principle for the lifting of global export restrictions on vaccines in place in a number of countries, notably the United States, to ensure equitable access around the world. Hough, SABC News, Brussels.